TV.
SPLTV in the house. Joey Brooklyn, aka Tupac, aka DJ, aka Rex Killer retired. Killer Rex is coming out.
Killer Rex, man.
With my homeboy here, Mr. Bro. That's Mr. SPLT. What's going on? So we're live at Selective Sounds on a Sunday. The rain's gone. Everything's looking good. We got a street stock in here. We got one of my old cabin colors. I love these cars. And we got Big Papa Pump over there, chilling. So, Jeff, some predictions for today.
Let's go predictions for right here.
Right here, predictions.
For these cars here?
Yeah.
44, 44.
Let's say 41. Let's say 45. I'm gonna be generous because it's running American bass.
Oh,
It's running
I missed that part.
American bass. You gotta watch it. American bass is the shit right now. Yeah. Great pitch strike.
Go team north of Peterborough.
Qualifying. That's how we get it done. Full tilt.
That's right.
Diva Drag Racing qualifying rounds. Lane 1. Team Kilohertz Light. Street Stopper class. Lane 2. Niggler. Street C class. Competitors, stand by.
Ready. Lane 2, ready. Let's do it.
Ready, set, go.
Yeah.
20 seconds.
Oh, he's a Street C competitor though.
Young Nate.
10 seconds.
I think I need to bring Rex Kill out of retirement. Fucking smack these guys around this street stuff.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.